And it's a very big welcome back to the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear YouTube channel. And on today's video, we've got a beautiful location. It's in Essex, next to the Blackwater estuary, and a little village called Goldhanger. The campsite is called Cresta House, and all of the details should be coming up just here. And we're going to show you around the campsite, and also Stu Bear is going to tell us a little bit about it.
So this is the campsite. Absolutely superb, isn't it? And as usual, the details of the site are underneath the video, so you'll be able to find it. We're just going to go for a little bit of a, well, they're going for a walk. I'm going to go around on the bike, and we'll see and show you how great this place is. There we go. Jasmine's having a great time already. It's the first time she's been here. I've been here many times before.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. In times that are changing and when hope is fading, I know I can turn to your embrace.
I've got to say, this is definitely one of my favourite camping sites. It's absolutely beautiful if you've got the weather as well. We've got beautiful weather at the moment. It's July right down here, and thanks for watching the video. We're going to show you a little bit of scenic video footage from this location, but of course the grid reference and all of the information are directly underneath the video. Don't forget, give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and help us along the way. So hey, the more people that watch, the more videos we can think, hey, yeah, let's get out there, let's make these videos for you. So thank you for watching. From my good self, Stu Bear, Teresa, and of course, here she is, falling asleep at the moment. It is, of course, Jasmine. We'll see you on the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear very soon. By the way, stay till the end of the video because we got that special offer. If you like tea and coffee, you're in the right place. Stay with us.
I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer.
Hi, it's Stu Bear, inviting you all along to our brand new adventure as we travel around France, showing you some of these beautiful locations with the drone footage, and also where you can park camper vans and camping sites, and lots of great cycling adventures as well. So hey, join us both right here on the Travelling Bear YouTube channel. Hi, it's Stu Bear from the Travelling Bear YouTube channel, and as a big thanks for everybody watching the videos and subscribing, we've got a great offer for you. It's from the Kent and Sussex Tea and Coffee Company, and for all you great viewers, you can get 15% off every single order. All you need to do is just at the checkout use the code, and that code is CAMPING, CAMPING. It's all uppercase, and the link is underneath the video right now. So enjoy the tea and keep on enjoying watching Travelling Bear with Stu Bear.